शौनक सर वेटिंग रूम में, शौनक सर नहीं है ना बायो?
Ma'am, in telophase, the chromosome began to
No,
show
no,
the
no. I am asking about cell division, cell cycle, Siley, sequential order of cell division. G1, then
uh,
that
G1
sequence.
phase, S phase,
Correct. Then
G2 phase,
and
M phase.
correct. Very good. So G1S, G2M. Then in mitosis phase we have karyokinesis and cytokinesis. सबसे पहले क्या होता है? कैरियोकाइनेसिस होता है या साइटोकाइनेसिस होता है? टेल मी.
Karyokinesis.
Karyokinesis. Okay, very good. That means nucleolus and nuclear membrane disappears. From this only you will come to know, because this happens in prophase only, which is mitotic division. Okay, which is the first division or the preparatory phase. Then, okay, homework. Have you done your homework, Siley? What was the homework? You were supposed to find out the reason, right? Why chromosomes are not visible when the cell is active. Have you? No, na? Kylie, I'm talking with you. Tell me, have you done your homework or not? Say something. Yes or no? Hello? No, na? Okay. You can take your time, but you have to tell me. And what was the second question? One more question I think I have given to you. I'm not remembering it. First,
Cell theory.
huh?
Cell theory.
Yes, cell theory, correct. So that also you have not done? Hmm? No, na, Saili? Okay. Uh, After Diwali, you are going to show me. Okay? As you people are going
Okay,
to
ma'am.
come, yes, physical classes are going to start after Diwali. So as you are going to come to class, so that time only you can show me. Okay?
Okay,
Importance
ma'am.
also, okay, importance of mitosis also we have studied genetically everything. I think you have taken all the points from me. Whatever I have written that day, na, I think everything is with you. Importance of mitosis. Now today let's talk about meiosis. So before we start with meiosis, let me revise which we have already seen in my first lecture. Meiosis is reductional division. Why reductional division? Because in cell division, what happens when it is meiotic division? That time cell divides, correct? But in next generation, or the formation of new individual or the progeny is going to carry half number of chromosomes. Got it? That means chromosome numbers reduce to half. So this reduced to half, that is nothing but reductional division. Okay, that is nothing but your reductional division. Understood? So now it has two phases, meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. So in today's session, we are going to focus mainly on meiosis. So write down meiosis is reductional division. You can write down the definition. Chromosome in meiosis, chromosome number reduced to half. Now I'm going to write one flow chart. Even you are supposed to write this in your notebook. Please write it down. And then I will explain you what is it, meiosis. And meiosis, you know that we have studied about different types of cells, somatic cells and germ cells. Hmm? So germ cell division is always by meiosis only. And somatic cell division, it is by mitosis. Okay, so this point also you can write it down. Hmm? So meiosis, which is reductional division. I'm not going to write full form of it, you write it down. Hmm? And sex cells of the gamete, we called it as germ cells. So we have meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. So in this, the first one is your prophase 1. There you have, the first is leptotin. Second, we have zygotin. Third, we have paquitin. Then diplotin. Fourth one is your diplotin. Fifth is your dikinases. Then metaphase 1. Metaphase 1. Third will be your anaphase 1. And fourth will be your telophase 1. In meiosis 2, you have prophase 2, metaphase 2, anaphase 2, and telophase 2. And after this, cytokine. Clear, Siley? This is how it. Meiosis, which is reductional division, takes place in sex cells of the gamete, that is germ cells. It has two phases, meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. In meiosis 1, we have prophase 1. In that, many stages are there. Leptotin, zygotin, paquitin, diplotin, dikinases. Meiosis 1, anaphase, metaphase 1, anaphase 1, and telophase 1. Okay. In second phase of meiotic division, prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase. Same, but you need to add two over here because this is meiotic division second meiotic division or second phase of meiotic division. Okay. So let me explain. Again, you need to write this flow chart. Please use separate page to write because now I'm going to discuss what happens in leptotin, zygotin, paquitin, diplotin, everything. So at least main points you have to write. So when I say crossing over takes place, that means you should know in which phase it takes place. Okay, so for this you can give one arrowhead over here and you can write it down because again for 1 mark, very frequently asked questions in your exam, they may ask you, what do you mean by zygotin? What happens in zygotin? So you should know. So basically, when we talk about meiotic 1 and meiotic 2, two phases, you need to remember the changes. Basically, like what happens in each and every stage of the meiosis. Okay, so we'll be talking about it now. So the first meiosis 1 prophase, 5 stages are there. Leptotin, zygotin, paquitin, and the diplotin. and dikinesis. First one, what happens in first one? Prophase. As you know, prophase is preparatory phase. Yes or no? Tell me. So the basic function will remain same here. Preparatory phase. We have studied in mitosis. It is preparatory phase. So leptose means what? Slender. Thin means what? Thread. Chromosome start condensing. So you can write it down. Condensation of chromosome takes place in which stage? Prophase. And in which again which stage? It's nothing but leptotin. In leptotin, chromosome will start condensing. Clear? Condensation of chromosome. Then what happens in zygote? Pairing of chromosome. I have before also we discussed about 23 pairs of chromosomes are there. That means 46 chromosome. 2n is equal to 46. So n is equal to 23 pairs. So chromosomes will start pairing with each other. In which stage? In zygote. After condensation, pairing of chromosome will be there. So you can write it down. Pairing of chromosome, and this pairing is called as synapses. Write it down. Synapses also you can say. A pair of synapse or a pairing of this chromosome, homologous chromosome. Pairing of homologous chromosome is called as by. Underline. This is important. It is given in your textbook also. You can underline it. So pairing of chromosome, a pair of synapse homologous chromosome is called as bivalent, or bivalent is also called as tetrad. So you can write it down, bivalent chromosome. Why? Because pairing of chromosome is there, and this is also called as, yes, tetrad. T-E-T-R-A. Tetra means 4. Bi means 2. Okay. Now is what? Pachytin. Pachy means what? Thick. So meanings also you should know. So the third one is pachytin, that is exchange of genetic material. After pairing, what happens? There is exchange of genetic material. Exchange of genetic material. In human beings, DNA as a genetic material. So when there is, you know that the normal process, what happens in fertilization, when there is a fusion of male and female gametes. So when we say gamete, that means we are talking about germ cells, sex cells. So if it is cell, definitely nucleus will be there. So if it is nucleus is there, chromosomes will be there. Chromosomes है तो DNA होगा, DNA है तो genes होंगे. So when there is fusion of germ cells, that means male gamete and female gamete, there will be fusion of their genetic material also. That means exchange of genetic material. And that's the reason next progeny is going to carry characteristics of both mother as well as father. Mother and the father. So this is very important, exchange of genetic material which results into variation. Have you heard about variation before? पता है ना वेरिएशन, we are not exact
Yes, ma'am.
our parents. We are not exact copies of our parents. Some dissimilarities you can see. Some dissimilarities you can see. Skin color. Consider different characteristics. If it is skin color, hair texture, it is not exactly same. Some differences you are going to see. And those differences are nothing but your variation. Got it? And when you will get variation, when there is involvement of two parents, that means father and the mother. When there is exchange of genetic material, it results into variation. So in this packaging, what happens is exchange of DNA or exchange of genetic material is there. Now, uh, after this, exchange of genetic material means what? Crossing over. Exchange of genetic material means what? Crossing over. Chromosomes जो है cross होते हैं एक दूसरे से. So if it is crossing over, that means recombination. You need to remember. Re means what? Again. Combination. They are going to combine again. So recombination. That means crossing over is going to. You must have studied this in 10th standard also. Crossing over. And when they are going to cross each other, the structure will look like X configuration, like this. And this X configuration structure is called as chiasmata configuration, or what we can say, it is nothing but the chiasmata formation, where crossing over takes place. Four sides you can see. X पता ना कैसे दिखता है? So like this you will observe, and this kind of formation is called as chiasmata formation. X configuration, chiasmata formation. X-like configuration are called as chiasmata formation. CH. Here I am going to write CH IA SMATA formation. So you can write it down, Sailia, because for 1 marks they may ask you what happens in which kind of phase. If it is leptotin, zygotin, packaging. So when I ask you about packaging, you should know that crossing over takes place in this stage. Crossing over means what, Sailia? Genetic material is going to exchange, isn't it? So this you have to write in this packaging. Now then comes your diplotin stage. Diplotin. Di means what? Two. That means bivalent. Bivalent. Bivalent formed during packaging separate from each other. So here, after chiasmata formation, it gets separated from each other in this case, diplotin. In diplotin stage. Uh, except at chiasmata. Like for example, if it is like this, can you observe this X constitution structure? So this is chiasmata. So except this, they will get separated and diplotin stage. That is your bivalent. Bivalents formed during packaging separate from each other due to dissolution of synaptonemal complex. Is it given in your textbook? Tell me. This complex is given? If it is given, then only I will explain you. Otherwise, concentrate or focus on chiasmata formation only. Okay. Now, next is your dikinesis. Dikinesis means what? Terminalization. That means terminalization of what? Of chiasmata. Of chiasmata. The terminalization of chiasmata can be observed here, and by the end of this stage, nucleolus disappear. Nucleolus will start disappearing. So here you can write it down. Nucleolus disappear. Because here chiasmata formation ends, or terminalization of chiasmata formation, and then it leads into nucleolus, or the next stage is nothing but nucleolus will disappear. And nuclear envelope, or we can say nuclear membrane breaks. So nuclear membrane breaks. Nuclear membrane breaks. Okay. Hmm? Understood till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Huh? Each and every stage you should know very clearly, because see, where, like if I say leptotin, what happens in leptotin? You should know very clearly. I'm going to give you time, but please now concentrate what I'm explaining. You can take 5 minutes later on and complete your notes with the help of flowchart. Okay? Now, second, we have metaphase. Bivalent, now in the continuation only we need to study what happens in metaphase 1. So here nucleolus disappear, nuclear membrane break. That means karyokinesis is there. That means division of the nucleus. Now here bivalent is also called as tetrad. I have written somewhere. They will get along metaphase plate through the spindle fibers. So spindle fibers, everything we have discussed in previous lecture in mitosis and all that. Actual formation. It is given in your textbook. Please go through it silently. So after formation of this, metaphase plate through spindle fibers. Then you know what happens in metaphase. With the help of a diagram, I have explained you last time. Equator, equatorial plate. So here they will come at the middle, equatorial plate. And then anaphase. Homologous chromosome separate while chromatids remain attached. Same thing, same. Whatever we have discussed in mitosis now, same thing we have to study here also. Because anaphase, that means they will start moving towards the opposite pole. So how come homologous chromosomes separate while chromatids remain attached at the centromere? Chromatids means what? Sister arm. Chromatids. We call it as chromatid. That means sister arm. They will remain attached to the centromere. Can you see the centromere? So, chromatids or sister arms will remain attached to the centromere. We are talking about anaphase. It will remain attached to the centromere only. Then what happens in telophase? Nucleolus and nuclear membrane reappear. In telophase, nuclear membrane and nucleolus reappear. Reappear. Around the chromosome and then interkinesis. It is the stage between two meiotic divisions. And then meiotic second division will start. But in between, we have interkinesis, isn't it? So this interkinesis is basically, it is a stage between interkinesis, between interkinesis. Interkinesis is the stage between two meiotic divisions, right? So you can write it down in between only. Interkinesis, it is the stage between two meiotic division. That means meiotic 1 division and meiotic 2 division. So this is the stage between two meiotic division. And then after meiotic 2 starts. Okay, Saili, clear? Who is Vedanti? Saili, do you know who is Vedanti?
Yes, ma'am. She is my friend.
But she is having biology or not?
No, ma'am. She is not having biology.
Okay.
Ma'am, can you explain the prophase point number 4 again?
Okay, I will explain. Let me tell Vedanti. This is bio lecture going on, beta. Okay. Siley, tell me what you want from my cell. Prophase, right?
Prophase.
But
Prophase point number 4.
in prophase, all the 5 stages you want?
No, ma'am. Only fourth stage.
Diplotin.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, diplotin. See, it is in a continuation only. Basically, na, Siley, see, it is very long and complex process. See, what happens in diplotin? जो bivalent formed हुए हैं ना chromosomes पैकेटिंग में जो हुए हैं separate जो chiasmata formation. Can you see the chromosomes I have drawn? There. So
Yes, ma'am.
bivalent, yes, sister arms. That means bivalent. It is tetrad condition. Tetra means what? 4. Can you see 4 sister arms? 1, 2, 3, and 4. So दो ऊपर के दो नीचे जो है. Can you see that? So bivalents formed during packaging. जो bivalent packaging में form हुए हैं, they will get separated in diplotin from each other. Got it? What is given in your text?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me, read it out loudly. Is it with you? Textbook is with you?
No, ma'am.
You don't have textbook, Siley? HSC board, na?
Yes, ma'am.
So from where are you studying?
Ma'am, from app.
Oh, from app. See, Siley, do one thing, na. Try to buy one textbook. It will be easy for you to underline the points also. As I'm going to discuss, that is fine. But still, okay? So, take it and
Okay,
start
ma'am.
reading. Start reading also. So, what we were talking about? Leptotin, zygotin, pachytin, then diplotin, dikinesis. Metaphase, same thing is going to happen. Anaphase, anaphase में क्या होता है जो homologous chromosomes होते हैं ना, वो chromatids को ही chromatids will remain attached at their centromere. वो सर्कल जो मैंने निकाला है ना क्रोमोसोम का जो है that is your centromere and chromatids arm means your sister arm जो मैंने निकाले है लंबे लंबे दिख रहे हैं ना वो. Then what happens in telophase? Nucleolus and nuclear membrane reappear around the chromosome. And then we have interkinesis. Interkinesis is the stage between two meiotic division. Okay. Now let's talk about meiosis second division. What happens in prophase second? Chromosome become compact. Okay. So now we are talking about meiotic division second. So chromosomes become compact. Chromosomes become compact in in prophase second division. Then nuclear membrane disappear. Here nuclear membrane disappear. Two changes you can observe. Chromosomes become compact. Nuclear membrane disappear. एकदम compact हो जाते हैं और nuclear membrane disappear हो जाता है. Then after this, metaphase comes. Chromosomes at the equator. I have already explained you. Chromosomes will come at the equatorial plate. यहाँ पे आ जाते हैं chromosome at the middle. That is why the name is given metaphase. And kinetochore, that means centromere of the sister arms or chromatids attached to the spindle fibers at each pole. So this is what we have different poles. So can you see? This is what your centromere, or it is also called as kinetochore. So sister chromatids, whatever sister chromatids are there for each chromosome, it is attached to the pole with the help of spindle fibers. with the help of spindle fibers. So, sister chromatids also called as sister arms. It will remain attached to the centromere, correct? But this metaphase, what we can see is kinetochore or centromere of sister chromatids attached to spindle fiber. Like this, it will look. This is one pole. This is what your second pole. So sister arm spindle fiber को attach to its respective poles. Kinetochores of sister chromatids attached to spindle fiber at each pole. We have two different poles, na, opposite poles. Then what happens in anaphase? Chromatids separate by splitting of centromere. Can you see? I'm going to magnify here. This is your centromere. So this splits into two. And chromatids, these are nothing but chromatids. Or sister arms or sister chromatids. So centromere splits into two and then it will start moving to its respective poles. That means opposite poles. So the diagram will look like this. Equatorial plane, plate को वो छोड़ देता है plane को and it will start moving towards the opposite plane. तो यहाँ पे and how is this possible? Because centromere or kinetochore splits into two and then the sister chromatids will start moving. Okay, so ये anaphase में होता है. As a result, chromatids move towards their respective poles in the cell. तो cell का जो pole है, we have two different poles, and it will start moving towards the opposite pole. Got it? Split होने के बाद ये इसका ऊपर चला जाएगा, ये इधर आ जाएगा. Four sister arms है ना chromatids. Got it? And then what happens in telophase? Nuclear envelope and nucleolus reform around the chromosome cluster. So then after it is considered as chromosome cluster, then it will start here. Nuclear membrane. This is again nuclear membrane. Then nucleolus and then the nucleolus start coming. First nuclear membrane, nuclear envelope and nucleolus reform again, reform and then reform around the chromosome cluster in each pole. This is for the first and second. So nuclear membrane or nuclear envelope reform around the chromosome cluster. And this is how meiotic division comes. Cytokinesis is also there. After meiotic 2, the process of cytokinesis results in the formation of 4 haploid cells. How many? 4 haploid cells. 4 haploid cells will form. Because chromosome number reduced to half. Okay, so that is your meiosis. Understood, Saili? Meiotic division is somehow complicated, but don't worry. I have explained you everything in detail, what changes happen or what is going to happen exactly in meiotic 1 and meiotic 2. So I'm going to give you 5 minutes, complete this flowchart As you don't have textbook with you, let it be. You can copy it down from my note card. Write it down. Then you will come to know exactly in which case what happens. Write it down. And then we'll be talking about significance of meiosis as we have discussed significance of mitosis. So, completely. Understood, Saili?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Are you understanding my flowchart?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm?
Done, ma'am.
Everything is done?
Yes.
Have you written about interkinesis page?
Yes, ma'am.
What is it? Tell me, interkinesis.
It is the stage between meiosis 1 and meiosis 2.
Very good. Okay. Now give next heading, significance of meiosis. Significance of. Are you maintaining separate biology book? Tell me yes or no. Huh? See now because
Yes.
so maintain one separate biology book. Baap re. Yes.
Ma'am, I can't see
What you got? Kylie?
the board. Ma'am, I can't see the board.
Now? I have not written anything on board, but yes, Kylie.
Ma'am, the screen is black.
Whole screen is black.
Yes, ma'am.
Come, I have not touched anything. Is it
Ma'am,
still
I think it is a network issue.
from your side?
Yes, ma'am, from my side.
Okay, let me call sir. Wait, Sir? Kylie, wait a minute.
Ma'am,
Yes, Kylie, sir is not here. Sir is not available now. Is it still dark?
yes, ma'am.
What to do then now?
Ma'am, I am attending the lecture from my another phone. So you can admit me in the middle.
Okay, okay, okay. Try it. Try one more. Are you trying, Kylie? Hello. Hello, Siley. Is it still dark from your side?
Yes, ma'am, I can see the board now.
You can see? Very good. Okay. Chalo, let's talk about importance of meiosis. Okay. So whatever we have discussed, like about variations and everything, so that will be the importance of meiosis. So let's talk about it first. As you know, it is reductional division, but again, the number of chromosomes doubles during the time of fertilization. Do you know? Like for example, N plus N becomes 2N. So haploid plus haploid becomes diploid. Okay, that means sperm and ova. When they fuse together, because we are talking about germ cells. So ova and sperm, they are haploid in nature, but when they fuse together during fertilization, it leads into diploid nature. That means zygote will form, and this zygote is diploid in nature. So though it is reductional division, but after fertilization, chromosome number doubles. Okay, so this is again one of the benefits of meiosis. Chromosome number by half in gametes, which again doubles during fertilization. So it helps to conserve the chromosome number. So your first point helps to maintain the chromosome number. Helps to conserve the chromosome number. Clear with first point? Siley?
Yes, ma'am.
Because sperm is haploid in nature, even ova is haploid in nature. So when N plus N, that means when there is fusion of male and female gametes, there is formation of zygote which is diploid in nature. So chromosome number doubles, but after fertilization. Got it? So here it helps to conserve the chromosome number after fertilization, though it is reductional division. So this will be your first importance of meiosis, or the significance we can say. Second, what we have studied in packaging, tell me PACHYCENE. What happens in packaging? Tell me, Siley. Yes.
Exchange of genetic material.
Yes, exchange of genetic material, that means crossing over takes place. Crossing over takes place. And because of this, it leads into, when there is exchange of genetic material, what you get? You will get variation. Okay? So, this is again one of the important significance of meiosis division. Crossing over, which is occurring in packaging of meiosis 1 or meiosis 1 division, which is a source of genetic variation, but only in a sexually reproducing organism. Why? Because when you will get variation, when there is fusion of male and female gametes. That means when two parents are involved, then only you will get variation. What happens in lower organisms? How they produce? How they reproduce? Simply by cell division. Simply by cell division, and that too maintaining genetic stability. But here, after fusion, exchange of genetic material is there, and that's the reason we are getting variation. So this meiotic division is main source from where you will get variation. Clear second point? Importance, variation. And third point, and when you have variation, that means it will help in the process of evolution or variation evolutionary rate. Variations will help in evolutionary race. Whatever evolutionary race is there, so variations will be there. If variations will be there, that means it is going to help evolution. That means evolutionary rate. Understood the third important point. Let me check any other important points. If it is given, we will discuss that also. Significance. Genetic recombination will come here only. Crossing over is nothing but your genetic recombination. This point you can write. Genetic recombination. Okay, three important points. It helps to conserve chromosome number when after fertilization only. Then crossing over from here you will get variations, and the last one after getting variation will help in the process of evolution. That means your evolutionary rate. So I think 3 points we have discussed. So write it down. Significance or importance of meiosis.
Done, ma'am.
Done? Very fast. You're not giving me time to sit also. Siley.
Ma'am, I'm writing with you only.
Okay. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now one more chart is there. What we can do is now, I have differences of mitosis and meiosis. लॉन्ग आंसर क्वेश्चन में ये क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं हमेशा, माइटोसिस एंड मियोसिस. सो यू टेल मी, मैं दे दूं आपको पॉइंट या आप कर लोगे? तो
आई विल डू.
यू विल डू इट. और मैं बताऊं ओनली 8 पॉइंट्स आर देयर आई थिंक.
हेलो.
हेलो. यस
मैम, I can't hear you.
Hello now? Now am I audible?
No, ma'am.
No?
I can't hear you.
Is it breaking? My voice is breaking? Hello? Hello, Siley.
Ma'am, I can't hear you.
Okay. Board is clear? Wait, even sir is busy. Give me 2 minutes.
Yes, ma'am, I can hear you now.
Now, is it audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I'm going to discuss points. Either you write it down, otherwise add this question in your homework. Okay, so differences between mitosis and meiosis. I am going to tell you mitosis point. You are going to tell me meiosis point. Is it okay? Tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
At least you try. You will do it. First point, I'm telling mitosis point. It occurs in somatic cells. Yes. What will be meiosis point?
It occurs in the reproductive cells of diploid organisms only.
Okay, very good. Second point, it gives 2 daughter cells. What about meiosis?
It gives 4 daughter cells.
Very good. Next, cells formed are diploid, 2N. Cells formed are diploid in nature. What happens in meiosis? Four daughter cells will form. So they are haploid in nature or diploid in nature? Hello. Huh?
Haploid in nature.
Very good. N. Haploid in nature. Next point. During metaphase, chromosomes are not aligned in pair. माइटोसिस में क्रोमोसोम्स जो होते हैं वो पेयर में नहीं होते हैं, ठीक है, दे आर नॉट लाइंड इन पेयर. बट इन मियोसिस व्हाट हैपेंस?
They
I have used one word while explaining.
equilateral plate.
Homologous chromosomes. Homologous chromosomes. During metaphase 1, homologous chromosomes are lined up in a pair. I have explained you na. Understood? Next point. During prophase, no recombination takes place. But in meiosis, first division, in which stage recombination takes place? Tell me. Kylie?
Prophase.
But in prophase, we have studied many stages. In which stage recombination takes place? Tell me the different stages of meiotic prophase division 1. First division. प्रोफेज 1 में क्या क्या थे डिवीजन?
Lactotin.
Haptotin, yes.
Zygotin.
Zygotin, then PACHY, पैकेटिन.
Yes, ma'am.
तो रिकॉम्बिनेशन किसमें होता है?
Plaketin.
करेक्ट. रिकॉम्बिनेशन, काइजमेटा फॉर्मेशन, क्रॉसिंग ओवर, सब एक ही है. So in during prophase 1, recombination is also called as crossing over, takes place in occur between homologous chromosomes. Then during anaphase, I am telling you about mitosis. During anaphase, centromere splits and chromatids move towards the opposite pole. But what happens in meiosis? क्या होता है meiosis में? Homologous chromosome will separate. Okay, homologous chromosome pair बनाते हैं ना वो. Homo means what? Same. Logous means what? Need to split the word for the understanding of any particular term. You need to split it. Got it? Same locus पे जो chromosome, homologous chromosome. So here during anaphase, homologous chromosomes separate, and in anaphase second division, centromere split. Because in meiosis we have two divisions, meiotic one division, meiotic second division. So in meiotic second, in anaphase second, centromere split. But in mitosis and in anaphase only centromere, first division only centromere split, and they will start moving, or the chromatids move towards the opposite pole. Mitosis is very short duration. It takes very short duration, and meiosis is very opposite word you can use. Meiosis, it takes very long duration. Okay. Next point, in mitosis, only one division occurs and it forms two diploid daughter cells. Only one division occurs and results nothing but two diploid daughter cells. But in case of meiosis, two divisions will occur and four haploid daughter cells will produce. Okay, two divisions occurs and there is formation of four haploid cells. Okay, any doubts in here?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so take 2 minutes and please revise meiosis, importance of it and different stages. We have said whatever we have studied. You just read in your mind quietly, and then we'll be talking about next chapter. Okay. Done. We have done with the chapters ID.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So take 2 minutes. एकदम थोड़ा सा एकदम to just go through it meiosis because it is very complicated because it has two divisions. Hmm?
Done, ma'am.
Done before 2 minutes. Okay. Now next chapter. Tell me next chapter because even I have index. Wait, let me see. Yes, kindly tell me. Plant
Ma'am, lesson number 1.
living world.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's start with living world. We'll be following the what we can say contents only. Hmm? Living world, systematics of living organism. In this way only we will go now. Okay, Siley.
Okay, ma'am.
New syllabus contents of new syllabus only we are going to follow now. So let's start with living world. Put today's date and write down the heading living world. It's very simple. First topic is very. Shall I raise this? Importance of meiosis? I think you have written.
Ma'am, you're teaching the first lesson now?
Yes?
You're teaching the first lesson now?
Yes. Why? Living world is first lesson only, na? What happened? Riley, yes, tell me.
Ma'am, actually I have to go outside, so
Okay, tell your sir then. Let me call sir. Yes, sir. Sir? Siley, you need to take permission of sir, huh? Wait, sir is not available here. Hello? Siley?
ma'am.
Let me ask sir. I'm calling now. Diwali shopping, Siley?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm. हाँ हेलो सर साइली is saying कि I have to go somewhere so can we stop ऐसे बोल रही है वो कुछ तो शॉपिंग करना है उसको तो हाँ क्योंकि अभी 1.5 आवर हो गया है वैसे थोड़ा ठीक है तो मैंने बोला सर का परमिशन लेना पड़ेगा फिर ही मैं बोलती हूँ तो मैं क्या करूँ सर ओह ओके ओके सर, मैं बोलती हूँ उसको. ओके सर. Yes, Saili, you got permission. Where are you? Okay, go. Happy Diwali. Bye bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.
Bye.